Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting the Somnath temple in Gujarat today, and he will be taking part in the Somnath Swabhiman Parv. It's a 4-day program which is being held from the 8th to the 11th of January. At about 8 p.m. today, Prime Minister Modi will be participating in the Omkar Mantra chanting, which will be followed by a drone show at the Somnath temple. Tomorrow at about 9:45 in the morning, he will join the Shaurya Yatra, which is a ceremonial procession organized to honor the warriors who sacrificed their lives defending the Somnath temple. This yatra will feature a symbolic procession of 108 horses. This represents the valor and the sacrifice that has been made for the Somnath temple. At about 10:15 tomorrow morning, Prime Minister Modi will be performing the darshan and the puja at the temple, followed by addressing a public function at about 11 a.m. The Somnath Swabhiman Parv marks 1,000 years since Mahmud Ghazni's invasion of the temple, and it commemorates the enduring legacy of resilience and faith. Celebrations also hold a special significance as the year 2026, which is this year, it marks 75 years since the restored Somnath temple was reopened for the devotees in 1951.
The PM will land today in Somnath, where he will chair the meeting of Somnath Trust, Somnath Mandir Trust, and then he will participate in the Omkar Jap. The 72-hour long Jap is the 72-hour long Omkar Jap are going on here in Somnath. Then he will there will be a road show for PM, and there will be a Shaurya Yatra which will showcase the freedom fighters, the fighters who fought against the Mahmud Ghazni. PM will speak about the history of Somnath and how it is important for the India, how the Somnath was rebuilt, and how the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's key role in the redevelopment of the Somnath temple. PM will talk about all these points tomorrow in a public function about the 1,000-year history of Somnath, how the Somnath was rebuilt and how it will going on, and what kind of works our Somnath temple is doing right now. All the things will be shared by the PM tomorrow in Somnath. With video journalist Jamini Vyas, this is Brijesh Doshi for India Today from Somnath.
My colleague Piyush is now joining me on the story. Piyush, this is something that Prime Minister Modi has often been speaking about. He's also been speaking about the fact that how the resilience has been shown. And this year is special because it marks 75 years since the restored Somnath temple was reopened for the devotees in 1951.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. PM Narendra Modi has been highlighting about the culture of Hindu and also the tradition, the continuity of spirituality which is there. And I remember that this is a very important event in which PM Narendra Modi is going to take part. Around 108 horses will also be there, in which the procession will be taken out. PM Narendra Modi will also be part of that. And after reaching there at the temple tomorrow in the morning at around 10 a.m. in the morning, he will be also offering special prayers, and then he is going to address the gathering. But before that, there will be a 72-hour long Omkar chant program in which PM Narendra Modi is going to participate. So it's going to be the continuity of spiritual heritage which we have, and Prime Minister has been highlighting about that. He has been putting out the various posts on this entire matter. In fact, he has also been requesting people to post their own exclusive pictures of their visiting to Somnath temple. And you would remember, Aishwarya, that PM had put out his own pictures also on social media platform X. So it is going to be a mega program in which people from various parts of Gujarat are reaching. PM Narendra Modi is going to land today in Rajkot, and then he will be taking part in a spiritual program today at Somnath temple. And tomorrow is going to be very important day where he will also be offering special prayers, special aarti there at Somnath temple. And before that, he will also take part in a procession in which 108 horses will also be there.
Thank you, Piyush, giving us all those details. My colleague Piyush giving us the details of the Parv that is now taking place. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has often highlighted how the way in which the Hindus defended the Somnath temple is a story of resilience, and how we should all now be extremely proud of the Somnath temple.